Welcome back to the channel, or if you are new here, a huge welcome to our cozy corner of YouTube. Fall is officially around the corner, and honestly, there is just something magical about this time of year. As the days start getting a bit cooler and the light shifts, our homes naturally become our ultimate sanctuary. Today we are deep diving into one of my absolute favorite interior design aesthetics, combining the effortless earthy vibes of boho style with the warm, rich textures of autumn. We are going to transform a regular living room into the ultimate warm and cozy boho fall space for 2026. And the best part is that you don't need a huge budget or a massive living room to pull this off. So grab a hot drink, get comfortable, and let's get inspired to refresh our spaces together. Before we jump into the styling, let's talk about what makes boho and fall decor such a dream match. Boho design is all about layers, organic textures, warm wood tones, and relaxed comfort. Fall, on the other hand, bring in those gorgeous spicy colors, soft warm lighting, and rich materials like chunky knits and deep velvets. When you wave these two styles together, you avoid that overly rigid or cliché seasonal decor look and instead get a living room that feels naturally inviting, textured, and deeply lived in. You don't have to fill every corner with bright orange pumpkins to say it's autumn. Instead, we are focusing on subtle mood shifts that creates a cozy atmosphere you will love relaxing in every single day. Let's start with the heart of any living room, the sitting area. Your sofa is usually the largest piece of furniture in the space, so it's the easiest place to start building that warm boho fall energy. Instead of buying all new pillows, covers, try mixing different textures to create depth. Combine a crisp linen cushion with a heavy buckle or woven macrame pillow and throw in a rich warm tone like terracotta, rust, mustard yellow, or deep umber. To instantly elevate that cozy factor, drape a heavy, oversized chunky knit throw blanket casually over one arm of the couch. The trick to getting that effortlessly styled boho look is to avoid making things look too perfect or symmetrical. Let the throw cascade down naturally. Layer 2 or 3 pillows of different shapes together and let the texture do all the heavy lifting. Now let's shift our focus to lighting, because honestly lighting can make or break a room's atmosphere, especially as the autumn evenings get longer. To get that ultra cozy glowing boho feel, we want to completely turn off the harsh overhead lights and focus on layer accent lighting. Think about adding warm tone floor lamps with woven rattan or bamboo shades that cast soft patterned shadows on the walls. Table lamps with ceramic or stoneware bases add a grounded artisanal touch to side tables. And of course, no fall living room is complete without the warm flickering glow of candles. You can style a group of brass candle holders with tall taper candles on your coffee table or place amber glass jar candles around the room. The warm amber hue instantly softens the space and makes the entire room feel like a big warm hug at the end of a long day. When it comes to tabletop and shelf styling, less can often be more if you focus on the right natural elements. Instead of plastic trinkets, bring the outdoors in by using dried botanicals and organic materials. Dried pampas grass, preserved eucalyptus, wheat stems, or bunny tails in ceramic jug vases instantly bring that rustic texture boho charm into your living room. You can also incorporate natural wooden bowls, rattan trays, and woven coasters on your coffee table or TV console. If you love subtle seasonal accents, look for small ceramic or woven fabric pumpkins in neutral tones like cream, warm brown, or muted olive. Mixing these organic elements on a wooden tray with a couple of stackable coffee table books create a gorgeous curated vignette that looks straight out of a design magazine. Another crucial layer is creating a warm living room is what's underfoot. Flooring sets the base tone for the entire space, and in boho design, rugs are everything. If you already have a neutral rug, consider layering a small textured vintage or jute rug over it at an angle to create instant warmth and character. High pile shag rugs or washable southwestern pattern runner rugs in muted earth tones work beautifully for fall. They not only keep your feet warm on chilly autumn mornings, but they also anchor all your furniture and bring that cozy lived-in texture straight down to the floor level. Wall decor is where you can truly let your personality shine while keeping the budget low. Blank walls can make a room feel cold and empty, which is the exact opposite of what we want for a fall refresh. To keep things boho and rental friendly, consider hanging a large macrame wall hanging, a gallery wall of textured woven baskets, or framed vintage autumn landscape prints. Wood framed arches or floating wooden shelves decorated with trailing plants, small candles, and frame art add vertical height and warmth. Mirror arts another fantastic trick. A large arched mirror with a brass or wood frame placed near a window will reflect the soft autumn light and make a small living room feel twice as big while adding to that cozy glow. Finally, don't forget the sensory details that tie the whole room together. Decor isn't just about what you see, it's also about how a room makes you feel and smell. Introducing fall scents through essential oil diffusers or natural candles with notes of cinnamon, clove, vanilla, cedar wood, or sweet orange instantly completes the transformation. When you walk into a room that has soft ambient lighting, warm tactile fabrics under your hands, beautifully natural textures on the walls, and a comforting warm scent in the air, your home truly becomes a peaceful retreat from the outside world. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up, leave a comment telling me your favorite decor tip, and don't forget to subscribe.